Happy Friday, everyone.
Yep.
Where are we headed to?
The Fun Fest.
The Fun Fest. There's a little like festival thing going on at the school up the block, so we are gonna infiltrate.
Hot dogs.
Smell hot dogs, and we're gonna infiltrate it.
Because that there's gonna be bouncy houses. Line is way too long. We're gonna wait. She's probably asleep right now.
She should be asleep.
Let me hear.
You hear anything? No?
Yep.
What did she say?
I heard like a bump.
Bump, bump, like a heartbeat.
Yeah, I felt her heartbeat.
I feel her now. Maybe she was just moving.
Can you see if you can find? Try to find her where?
You know how you know where the baby is?
If it's
You
hard.
feel how, look, give me your hand. You feel how my belly's really squishy here?
Yeah.
The baby's not
And
there.
then like right here, is it a little harder?
Yeah.
That's where the baby is.
So
See, she moves around my belly a lot.
So let hers a lot.
When she's leaning on my ribs. Because it's like, I can't sit and it's uncomfortable. That's what hurts.
Wait. Imagine if you try to climb the ribs.
She's climbing up my rib cage.
It'd be so hard, but she'd go up and through your mouth.
Nah, doubt it.
Yeah, she'd be
She's
too.
probably sleeping. That's what it is. Good night.
Can I just stay awake for a little bit longer?
No.
Y después le mando mi manteca. Sí, no le pueden mandar pegar a las manos y nosotros las pegamos.
Really? I can't sit.
Where are we?
Getting the baby's 3D. I'm gonna see the baby's face. This is 33 weeks.
Okay. Bye, baby. Thank you.
Guess what? It's still a girl. So anyways, so I have to go and eat now, she says, because the baby has her arm is covering her face. But we saw her yawning and blinking, and guess what? Chubby cheeks, curly hair. Yeah, she has curly hair. She says she probably has my nose. Oh, and Mark's lips, because he has the full lips. I don't have full lips.
Yes, please do. You guys have Instagram?
Yeah, I just followed you today.
Awesome.
And then you gotta
So you
follow
could
us back.
tag me. Yes, I will
Put
definitely
you
do
in
that.
the video into the video.
Success.
Put this in. Wait, let's see if I get it.
Oh, nope. What do you got there?
I don't know. It's a big brown box. It doesn't even say who it's from. Ohio. Light. I wonder what it is, Papa Bear.
I feel like Casey. He's always getting something in the mail.
You know, over here.
I think you should.
You mean to open it?
I think you should open it.
You get the scissors. It's like Christmas. Definitely baby related. Oh, I know what it is! It's the super baby seat. It's the super baby seat. Cute. Who's it from?
We're already getting our first thing.
I don't know. Oh my god. Well, thank you. We gotta find out who it is. It's from New Mary. So cute. That's so sweet of her. Thank you, Nunu. Oh, that was so sweet.
Oh, brother.
This is what we wanted to do.
Where are we putting this?
Papa needs to finish the room so we can start putting all her stuff in there. It's like raining.
It's raining and we're off to our monthly food shopping expedition. It's like raining. And then this morning she goes, why am I wearing my It's Cold sweater?
It's not cold.
It's cold and raining.